Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can clear cache in Capcut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Capcut application in our mobile phone. And after we have our Capcut application opened, we can click on this icon on the top right. And here, if we want to clear the Capcut cache, we just need to scroll down a little bit and we can click on this clear cache. Click on it, then you can click on confirm. Okay, and now the cache has been deleted. And actually there is another way to clear the cache in Capcut. You can tap and hold on the Capcut application and you can click on this little icon, and then here you just need to click on the storage and we can click on clear cache. Alright guys, and that's how we can clear cache in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.